In this video, I'm going to show you how the Canvas pages and Canvas setup looks like for this course and how to navigate through this course. Of course, at the left hand side panel, you are all familiar with that with the rest of the other courses, that this is a generic panel. Then about this course specific panel, this left hand side, you have a couple of links there. Home, which is basically will end up in this front page for this course. I'll come back to that one. Then you can go to the modules, go to the discussions. Collaboration is that during later this semester I will establish some study group within this class so that you can study among yourself, you can exchange ideas and help each other in various problems. And I would recommend you to communicate through some Google Drive or Google Docs. I'll set that up for you so that you can communicate with each other and collaborate with each other. So this will be set up later. Announcement, the latest announcement should come at the top of this home page. Recent announcement, since there is none, it is not there, but as soon as some announcement comes up, it should be reflected and updated on this page automatically. And then quizzes will list you all the quiz that you need to go through. Here are some of them. Then assignment will show you actually what the upcoming assignments are. I think these are all common with other Canvas courses, nothing big there. There is Zoom link where it is linked to all your classes and the office hours. Since these class meetings is set that one need to register before join, so if you click on the join, it will take you to the registration page. You register, and then you get a link in an email saying that how to come into the Zoom session. So preserve that email because, like, if let's say you register on the first day, and though the meeting has been said that once you register, you can actually attend all the sessions in this recurring meeting, but somehow this integration between Canvas and the Zoom does not honor that setup. So that means you once register on, let's say, Jan 28, then you come back on, let's say, February 4, click the join from here, it will again take you to the registration page. Okay, so I'm not sure if Canvas has updated that from the last semester, that what I experienced, but it is something like that. So I recommend you, once you register, keep that email that you got after registration is done and bookmark that link and use that link to join into the class. And then we have the grades and you know, like this is general, like for other classes I think you have that. Syllabus, what you will see, you will see some green sheet page where you it will display on you since I am actually showing you with a student view. The authorization is a problem. Otherwise you will see that page right there. If you don't see it, you can always click that and access that on a new tab about the green sheet for this page. So please make sure you go through this green sheet page and note down all the logistics there and all the points that has been presented in this green sheet. Okay, then other links are your people, where you get to know your peers. Sote Solet will come at towards the end of the semester when this survey is up. You can access them through this link. Now on the home page, you basically, what it has some notes about this class timings. There is a link to my LinkedIn profiles if you are interested to explore my professional careers there. You know that you will come to know that through that link. There are links to the Zoom and Zoom registration page, so you may not need to go through that Zoom join that button. You can go straight here. There is an instruction link there, register in advance. Like you can use that link to register in this course as well. Then what we have, there is a link to this YouTube channel that I plan to go live during the class session onto the YouTube channel as well. I have seen this is kind of beneficial for some student who may not have access to the Zoom for various reasons. One of them is they're not registered in the class but still want to kind of look at that, survey this course. It is very useful for them to go into the YouTube and join in the live session there. So there is a link, and all these class lecture videos, etc., those are all uploaded on that YouTube channel. You can turn on notification, you can subscribe them, though subscription is absolutely optional. And I'm also planning to record the online classes, and you can go to this page to access the Zoom recording of the classes as well. This page will be updated as we go through this semester. Then it has one very important link, secure your online presence. I would recommend everyone to go through this, a little bit of writing this page information, and make sure you secure your accounts accordingly. Then it has this module link to the module, which you can basically go through this module link as well. And then I have a very interesting video link for you to, this is optional to watch it before the semester start, and also watch it after the semester is done. Okay, so that you can actually link what you have learned throughout the semester in one summary video. Okay, so this is when you watch it first time before the semester, it will prepare you what you are going to learn, and once you are done, the same video will show you some concept. You can relate some concept that you have learned, you will learn in this semester. You can relate to that concept as well, and it will also prepare you to transition onto the next related course, which is computer architecture CS47, and we'll continue from there onto the next class. And I have one system diagram, schematic diagram. It basically also gives you a nutshell concept of how the computer system works. I would recommend you to basically take that picture and print it out, put it in front of you throughout the semester to remind yourself on the core concept of how a computer system works. Okay, now the most important from this page is basically this everything you need to know about this course. This another page, very important to kickstart on the semester, and watch this video which will tell you about this page and what you need to do go forward. All right, now let's discuss about this module setup. So we have set up this module as like start here. This is the first thing you need to do. Once you complete this module, means watching these videos and also complete these activities, then you'll unlock the next modules and so on and so forth. Okay, so once you unlock that module, each module is set up in this way. There is a page for introduction of the module, so please go and visit that page. I'll show you one example there, and then go to there is a module QA. Actually, let me just leave from the student view and show you what would be there. So this is your introduction to module 1 page. Each module has an introduction page, which basically describes what is this module about, what you need to do, what's your learning objective, and related Q&A and assessment, practice problems if there is any. So it basically gives you a summary of the whole module in one page, one single page. And then you have this QA. What is this? This is the forum discussion. So if you have questions, please put your question over here. If you know answer to the question, please put your input onto that summary as well. It is not that you ask question and I give the answer on this page. Like if your peer asks a question and if you know about that concept, please jump in and help your peer to clear up the concept. Okay, so this is how we'll be using that discussion page. And then it followed by study material. Like let's say this module has 3 study material, lecture 1 to 3, and each of them is a page which has lecture notes, okay, lecture notes, and followed by related video links. So this lecture has divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and those videos links are given. And please watch them. Please read the note before coming to the class. And then you have this ask question link, which is basically will bring you to that module 1 Q&A forum discussion page. So this is how it is set up. In that each module you'll find this common theme of setup, like introduction to the module, then to the discussion page, study material, followed by practice problem set and solution. For these, I would say please solve the problem yourself first, then come back to the solution set to see if your approach is correct or not. And also module has an assessment section. It is quiz. A quiz can be multi-module span. For example, quiz 1, if you see, this is include lecture 1 to 5, but it has this module is 1, 2 and 3. Module 2 is 4 and 5. So basically it span this quiz span across this module. And as well the quiz 2, it is from lecture 6 to 9, but this module has lecture 6 in this, and 7 to 9 is the other module, module 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, so and some will have some assignment as well. For example, your module 3 has a programming assignment, module 2 also has a programming assignment, and module 5 Boolean algebra, no, module 6, module 7 arithmetic component has a project associated with that one. Okay, and we have total 8 module to be completed in this semester. So I hope this arrangement would help us to focus on the subject at hand and help you to learn this new subject in a better way.